Hey there, it's Jay following YourFavouriteDigerati, and this is another video. Okay, in this video I'm going to be talking about ISO. Okay, so first of all, it's actually called ISO. It doesn't have a full meaning. ISO in photography, right? Okay, so ISO, the full meaning of ISO, but it's not really photography. It means International Organization for Standardization. But then in photography, it's actually a measure of film sensitivity to light. That's how it is. The ISO, it determines how sensitive the film is. This a film or sensor in this case, because we use sensors, we use digital cameras. So digital cameras use sensors instead of film. So we're using digital cameras, so it's the level of sensitivity of the sensor to light. That's what the ISO means. So ISO is basically the level of sensitivity of your film, of your sensor to light. Yeah, and how does it affect pictures? When the sensor is sensitive, very sensitive to light, the more things tend to come and more things tend to show up, and it also increases the exposure, like the exposure of the object, the picture. But also it has a like bad parts, like the higher the ISO, the lower the quality of the picture. It has this noise like grain in the picture, and it also this is what makes up the picture. But then when it's too much, it just like it reduces the quality of the picture. Like you can see here in this picture now, the ISO is low, the ISO is 100. Yeah, when your ISO is 100, that's the best ISO, that's the best level. But depending on your condition, you might have to increase it or reduce it. You might have to increase it, you can't reduce it. But in the best is 100. The best ISO is 100, and then when you increase the sensitivity, thereby increasing the noise in the picture. That's how, like, that's the bad part about ISO. Okay, how to use your ISO properly. When you want to take pictures in like brightly lit places, like the light is bright enough, everything is clear in the image, you have to use an ISO of 100. Like that's the best. Like when the ISO is on 100, there's zero grain. There's no grain in the picture. So ISO, when your ISO is at 100, that's the best. But then if you want to take a picture in darker conditions, you like want to increase your aperture, and you want to reduce the shutter speed so more light can enter in at still an ISO of 100 if it still can. But then if there's moving objects, if you want to take a picture of a moving object and it's dark, then you might have to increase your ISO and then reduce your shutter speed to allow your camera capture the fast moving object, and then giving it enough light for it to see, for it to be visible. Yes, and also cameras, how they reduce grain. Cameras reduce grain normally after you take a picture, like when they're converting it from the raw format, like raw or NEF format, to JPG or JPG or whichever you use. When it's converting, it reduces the noise, and then also you can reduce the noise when you're editing the picture on your own. After the picture has been produced, and there's still noise, you can try and edit the picture to still reduce the noise. Basically, that's all about cameras, and thank you for listening. Thank you for watching this video. I'm your favorite Charity, and goodbye.